Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Varsani.
And my name is Diti Besadia.
We are building an autonomous car using reinforcement learning that can find its own path without manual control. The goal of this project is to make a system that can learn and take decisions on its own.
The problem with traditional systems is that basic systems don't have decision power. They depend on human control and can't avoid obstacles or plan paths. So there is a need for a system that can navigate independently.
Our solution is we are combining AI and IoT together. To solve this, we used Q-Learning or reinforcement learning technique. We train the model in virtual grid environment where it learns the best path from start to go. Then this path is sent to car using Wi-Fi through ESP32.
In this system, the car acts as an agent and the grid is the environment. The car tries different movement and gets reward for reaching the goal and penalties for hitting obstacles. After multiple trials, it learns the optimal path using Qtable.
System implementation. For implementation, we use Python GUI where we can define the grid, starting point, goal, and obstacles. The model is trained using Q-Learning, and once the optimal path is generated, it is sent to the ESP32 via Wi-Fi. ESP32 interrupts path commands and signals the model driver to control the motors.
This is the grid view. Here we define start, goal, and some obstacles. This is the video demonstration of this car which follows this grid view.
Results and future scopes. What we achieved till now is the system successfully navigate from start to goal without manual control. Efficiently avoid obstacle using the learned or optimal path. Work consistently across different grid size and configuration. Demonstration successfully transferred from simulation to real world execution. What we can do next is integrate some sensors like ultrasonic sensor cameras for real time obstacle avoidance, adapt learning from dynamic environments, then improve accuracy and speed decision making can be extended to fully autonomous robotic systems.
Some real world applications self driving vehicles, warehouse automation robots, delivery and service robots, and robotic simulation. This technology is used by companies like Ether Energy, focuses on road condition monitoring. And this system can detect potholes and road hazard using sensors and data mapping. Concept here use is that a vehicle can avoid damaged road instead of just taking the shortest path, help in smoother rides, reduced vehicle damage, and better route planning.
So, this project shows how AI and IoT can be combined to build intelligent autonomous systems. Thank you.